Alright, welcome back. So let's look at today's market and see what we can get from this. So in 4 hour, we are currently in 4 hour gap. After, I think we tap into this 4 hour gap and then push lower to rebalance this gap. And if it fails, we'll anticipate price to tap this liquidity instead, or else I'm just targeting this and this equal high. So that's for 4 hours. It's kind of 50-50, but I would say I'm leaning towards long still. And then let's look at daily, see if we can get anything. Yeah, we are currently in daily gap as well, which is a good thing. Let me mark that. Okay, currently we're in daily gap, overlapping with 4 hour gap. And then let's look at 1 hour. So 1 hour wise, tap into 1 hour gap, push lower into another 1 hour gap. And then right now we're just sitting here doing nothing. So 1 hour wise, don't really have anything, but will be bearish or bullish, 50-50. I would just say nothing much I can form of this. And then let's look at 15-minute. So for 15-minute, we're pretty much like super bearish now because we just like push lower with the news, and we tap into, not tap into, I think we just sting into the 15-minute gap again, doing nothing. And yeah, I can't really form anything much of this. We got this liquidity is lower, that's all I can say. That likely gonna push lower and take this out, but not sure if it's today or tomorrow, we don't know. Then for higher wise, it's kind of nothing much. We just like straight up push lower. I think we need to see later 10 a.m. session and see what happened. Or we likely gonna tap into this gap and then push lower. Should be possible also. Yeah, I think we'll just see. I can't really form anything. Not really confident to trade with this kind of market. Then let's look at ES, see we got any SMT or whatever. So same stuff, we basically tap into 4 hour gap, the same one, and daily gap as well. Four-hour gap and daily gap tap. 1 hour wise, got SMT. I think we do sweep, we do take out this high. Yeah, we swipe this, and then we form London high here and push lower with ES SMT. This one is a New York PM high with London high sitting here, and then another one would be the previously high at the top here. So now we rebalance into 1 hour gap, this 1 hour gap here, but we have bullish SMT here. It's kind of super. I think we just rebalance into multi-time frame gaps. Yeah, I think that's the only bullish SMT. But right now we still got bearish. I think this one has been done already because basically just rebalance what it wants. And then let's look at lower part. We got this low right here with like a couple 50-minute lows below. But judging by this kind of, we are at multi-time frame gap, I think we're just likely gonna push higher. It's just I can't really form anything too long unless it is 10 and we can take like 10 AM liquidity sweep to push higher. Or else I'll just sit back and see. I don't think I will short off this 15-minute gap because it's like too risky here. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna sit back and watch first. Yep, that's it for the analysis. Alright, so I took a shot just now because price been pushing higher, swept the London high, and I'll just take the shot because that price is giving me all the information to short. I was expecting price to push lower actually, but yeah, we just push higher instead. And then another thing to highlight is we swept London high together with 1 hour candle high and together with 4 hour candle high. So it's like a pretty good short for me to take. And yeah, price hit TP at my standard deviation. This low, I take this low between 2 to 2.5 standard deviation. And yeah, that's it for the trade. Emotion wise, I'm kinda okay with it. Nothing much, I'm just following my rules. And yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.